I'm sure it's been done 1,000 times on YouTube already, but I'm going to show you how I replace the output shaft seal on my BW4406. Here goes nothing. Right up here you can see it's leaking. It's been spitting fluid all over the place. We're going to get that replaced today. In addition to that, refilling the transfer case because it's been leaking as well. But that's not part of this video. My first step, chalking the wheels. Next step, I'm going to undo this. Alright, once you have those bolts out, you can pull the drive shaft and it pulls straight out of the transfer case right there. That's the seal we're going to be replacing. My seal's removed. That's all I did. Get this guy and just stuck it in there and ripped it out. And that's it right there. We'll get the new one in, pound that in, and it should be ready to put the drive shaft back in and refill it. We got it cleaned up. New seal is in. Time to put the drive shaft back in. I marked it on here and I marked it on the drive shaft so I know right where to line it up. Alright, she's all refilled, cleaned up, and over here you can see it's pretty dry on the bottom now. I cleaned it up with brake clean. So if it leaks we'll know, and we'll know probably where from. The seal looks good. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I know it wasn't crazy fun, but it was fun for me. I learned something. If you guys like learning things, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.